So now I'll discuss about oxidation of alcohols. Oxidation of alcohol. First one, oxidation of alcohols in the presence of pyridinium chlorochromate. Oxidation of alcohols in the presence of pyridinium chlorochromate. Simply we can say it as PCC. P indicates pyridinium, C indicates chloro, and again C indicates chromate. Okay. Now we'll see the oxidation in the presence of pyridinium chlorochromate. Actually, this is the structure of the compound. Okay, this is the structure of the compound. Pyridinium chlorochromate. Okay, so here it is a complex of chromium trioxide and pyridine and HCl. It is a complex of the complex ela form aindma here. It is a complex of consider cheyalanta. It is a complex of pyridine. So this is the structure of pyridine. Next HCl and next chromium trioxide. Okay, so when you will use PCC, primary alcohols, they get oxidizes into aldehydes. Primary alcohols, they get oxidizes into aldehydes, whereas secondary alcohols, they oxidizes into ketones. Okay, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So primary alcohols in the presence of PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate, it get oxidized into enduloki convert avutundi. It oxidizes into aldehydes, right? And secondary alcohols in the presence of PCC, they get oxidized into ketones. Now I'm writing the equation. Primary alcohol means you can take, I'm taking a, give an example for primary alcohol. Primary alcohol ki cheppandi ma. Example for primary alcohol.
C.
Ethyl alcohol. Okay, ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol in the presence of PCC. That is PCC and enti. What does PCC indicates? Hello? Hello? What does PCC indicates? PCC abbreviation enti? Hello?
Pyridinium chlorochromate.
Pyridinium
Chlorochromate.
This is the structure. Okay now. నేను ఇక్కడ ఆక్సిడేషన్ అంటున్నాను. వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై ఆక్సిడేషన్? ఆక్సిడేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి చెప్పండి? What is oxidation and reduction? Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. You have to remember this one. ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం oxidation reduction? What is the definition of oxidation? Oxidation అంటే ఏంటి? Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Simple reaction. From this you have to remove hydrogen, and from this carbon also you have to remove hydrogen. Okay now? Hydrogen will be removed. Okay. Now what will be there? ఇక్కడ ఇంకేముంటుంది? ఇంకా హైడ్రోజన్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక హైడ్రోజన్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ తీసేసారు. ఇంకేముంటుంది మా? there is a presence of ఏంటి? CH3
O.
Right, CH3 CH. I can write double bond. Okay na, because two hydrogens are removed, so that's why I'm writing double bond. Okay na. So this one it is called acetaldehyde. It is acetaldehyde, right? Is it aldehyde or not? CHO. CHO, it comes under aldehyde. Okay. So ethyl alcohol, they undergo oxidation in the presence of pyridinium chlorochromate and forms acetaldehyde. Now this is a primary alcohol, right? Now I'm taking secondary alcohol. If I take secondary alcohol, for secondary alcohol you can take isopropyl alcohol. Do you remember how to write isopropyl alcohol?
Yes, ma'am.
How to write?
CH3
CH3 CH
CH3 OH.
OH.
Okay, right. So isopropyl alcohol or secondary alcohols, they get oxidizes in the presence of PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate, and they oxidizes into ketones. Remember this one. Primary alcohols, they get oxidizes into aldehydes. Secondary alcohols, they get oxidizes into ketones. Okay, now simple reaction. Same. From this carbon, you have to remove hydrogen, and from oxygen also you have to remove hydrogen. Here you have to remove hydrogen. Here also you have to remove hydrogen. Then what will be there? ఏముంటుంది ఇంకా? CH3.
C
CH3. C.
CH3
I'm writing on right side. CH3. Next.
double bond O.
Double bond oxygen. Okay. So this one is ketone, and the name of this compound is acetone. Okay, now. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So this is the oxidation of
Yes, ma'am.
alcohol in the presence of PCC. PCC అంటే ఏంటి చెప్పండి?
Pyridinium chlorochromate.
Pyridinium chlorochromate. It is a complex of pyridine, HCl and chromium trioxide, and this is the structure of PCC. Okay, now PCC, it oxidizes primary alcohols into aldehydes, secondary alcohols into ketones. Okay, now we'll see the oxidation with the acidified potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate, oxidation with a potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. Oxidation with potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. Acidified means in the presence of H plus, or alkaline or acidified KMnO4. Alkaline means basic. Okay, now. So what is the formula of potassium permanganate? It is KMnO4. Okay. So I'm considering the primary alcohol, and this equation, it is also used to distinguish all primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Distinguish means from this equation we can identify which is primary alcohol, which is secondary alcohol and which is tertiary alcohol, right? So first I'm taking primary alcohol. For primary alcohol I'm taking the ethyl alcohol, that is CH3, CH2, OH. Okay, this ethyl alcohol in the presence of KMnO4 or in the presence of K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, acidified potassium dichromate, it undergoes oxidation. It undergoes oxidation and it oxidizes into aldehydes. Here, first they converts into aldehydes. Indulo convert avutayamma, aldehydes lo convert aitayi. Simple, same as it is. You have to remove hydrogen from this carbon and other hydrogen from this oxygen atom. Okay, now then you will get a CH3. What you will get? CH3. What you will get? CH3.
CH
CH
The single bond oxygen, it converts into double bond
double
oxygen,
bond.
right? Again it undergoes oxidation. Now this aldehydes, they converts into carboxylic acid. That means CH3, this aldehyde group, it oxidizes into carboxylic acid. What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? COOH means this aldehyde it oxidizes into COOH. Okay, na? So this is with primary alcohols. Primary alcohols in the presence of acidified KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. First they oxidizes into aldehydes. Again they oxidizes into carboxylic acid. Is it clear? And remember girls here, in the starting reactant, how many carbons are there? How many
Two.
carbons are there?
2.
2 carbons. So after that it undergoes oxidation and it forms aldehydes, right? In aldehydes also it contains how many carbons? How many
2
carbons?
carbons.
2 carbons. And in carboxylic acid also it contains how many carbons?
2.
2 carbons. Means here it contains same number of carbon atoms. You have to remember this one. During the oxidation of primary alcohol, you will get aldehydes, and again these aldehydes they oxidizes into carboxylic acids which have same number of carbons. Okay. Next, I am considering secondary alcohol. Now I am considering secondary alcohol. For secondary alcohol, you can take isopropyl alcohol. See here, I am taking isopropyl alcohol. Chepanma, how to write isopropyl alcohol?
CH3 CH bond CH3OH.
Ah. This is the isopropyl alcohol which comes under secondary alcohol, right? Same, it undergoes oxidation in the presence of KMnO4 acidified or K2Cr2O7. First it oxidizes into, in case of secondary alcohol, see here, you have to remove, you have to remove any hydrogens kada? Just hydrogens
Yes,
remove
ma'am.
chesi from this carbon you have to remove this hydrogen, and from oxygen also you have to remove hydrogen. Okay, na? Now what will be the product? What you will get? CH3
CH3 C
C
CH3
CH3
double bond
single oxygen. What is this one? It is aldehyde or ketone, C double bond O. On both sides alkyl group and C double bond O, it comes under ketone. Okay, means secondary alcohol it oxidizes into ketone. Secondary alcohol ఎందులోకి oxidize అవుతుంది? It oxidizes into ketone. Okay, and again this ketone it oxidizes into carboxylic acid, and you will get two products, two carboxylic acid. Here actually the bond between this carbon and carbon it will break. Is it visible? Hello.
no ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
Okay ma'am.
See here. Again this ketones it oxidizes into carboxylic acid, right? కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు? హలో.
Blur ఉంది ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
Okay ma'am.
See here. Again this ketones it undergoes oxidation. There is a formation of carboxylic acid. ఎలా అవుతుంది అంటే the bond between this carbon it will break. Okay, na? Now this carbon, it converts into carboxylic acid, and this carbon also, it converts into carboxylic acid. That means you will get CH3, COOH plus, since here there is a presence of only one carbon then it start a carboxylic acid, and here it is a formic acid. So that's why you have to write HCOOH. Okay, now. So this is the case with the secondary alcohols. So now we'll see in reactants how many carbons are there? Any carbons in the reactants? No?
3, ma'am.
3. When it oxidizes, first it converts into ketones. Ketones also, it contains how many carbons?
3, ma'am.
3 carbons. Again, this ketone, it oxidizes into carboxylic acid. Now this carboxylic acid, it contains how many carbons?
2, ma'am.
2. Means in case of secondary alcohol, on oxidation, you will get a carboxylic acid which is having less number of carbons than reactant. Okay, now. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Ade primary alcohol came in, ma? In case of primary alcohol, on oxidation, you will get a carboxylic acid which is having
2 carbons.
means same number of carbons. Okay, na? But in case of secondary alcohols, you will get a carboxylic acid which has less number of carbons than reactant. Reactant kanna ikkada unde carbons ela untayante, it will be less. Okay, na? Now we'll see with tertiary alcohol. Actually, with tertiary alcohol, the reaction does not take place. With tertiary alcohol, the reaction does not take place, but under drastic conditions, these tertiary alcohols, it may convert into ketones. Tertiary alcohols, it may convert into ketones under drastic conditions. Otherwise, it does not react with the acidified KMnO4 or alkaline KMnO4. I am writing an example for tertiary alcohol, that is tertiary butyl alcohol, CH3, CH3, CH3OH. Okay. This one on treating with the KMnO4 acidified or alkaline KMnO4, there will be no reaction. But under drastic conditions, this tertiary alcohol, it converts into ketones, but ketones having less number of carbons. Ketones having less number of carbons. Student, mummy, KN ketones form aatayi ante see here CH3, C double bond O. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. If you observe the reactant, in reactant, how many carbons are there? How many carbons are there?
4, ma'am.
Reactant 4. But when it oxidizes and it converts into ketones, it has only 3 carbons. Okay? Means it has less number of carbons than reactant. Okay? Again, it undergoes oxidation, same as this. It undergoes oxidation and it converts into carboxylic acid, that is CH3, COOH plus HCOOH, same, having less number of carbons. Student, starting here, there is a presence of 4 carbons. When it oxidizes and it converts into ketones, it has only 3 carbons. Again on oxidation, and it converts into carboxylic acid, which has only 2 carbons. Okay, now. This is the case with tertiary alcohol. So how to distinguish name and this test, this equation, this chemical reaction is also used to distinguish primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. And to identify whether it is a primary or secondary or tertiary identification కోసం use చేయొచ్చు. ఎలా అంటే in case of primary alcohols, it oxidizes into aldehydes and carboxylic acid having same number of carbons. Okay, na? But in case of secondary alcohol, it oxidizes into aldehydes having same number of carbons, but again on oxidation, it converts into carboxylic acid having less number of carbons. Okay, now? But coming to the tertiary alcohol, on oxidation, it forms ketones which has less number of carbons. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about oxidation. Videos on